Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about blue jelly shrimp, which is a selectively bred color variant of the popular Neocaridina shrimp, originating from wild populations found in Taiwan. This shrimp variety is known for its stunning translucent blue hue, making it a vibrant addition to freshwater aquariums. Over the years, they have gained popularity among shrimp enthusiasts for their beauty, ease of care, and peaceful nature. Unlike some other shrimp, blue jelly shrimp can change their shade slightly based on their mood, stress levels, or water conditions. This subtle shift in color can sometimes be a good indicator of their overall health. Blue jelly shrimp are small, reaching about 1 to 1.5 inches. They are characterized by their translucent, icy blue bodies, which make them stand out beautifully against green plants or dark substrates. Their legs and antennae are also lightly tinted blue, adding to their delicate and elegant appearance. In the wild, the Neocaridina species are found in streams, ponds, and slow-moving rivers. Blue jelly shrimp, being bred in captivity, are accustomed to aquarium life and thrive in stable, clean, and well-oxygenated water. They are best suited for the heavily planted tanks, where they can forage and hide among plants, driftwood, and decorations. Blue jelly shrimp are peaceful, non-aggressive creatures that spend most of their time grazing on biofilm, algae, and decaying plant matter. They are excellent scavengers, helping to keep aquariums clean by eating leftover food, algae, and other organic debris. This makes them both a beautiful and functional addition to any tank. They are social animals that do best in groups where they will interact with each other, often seen climbing plants, rocks, and aquarium decor. When keeping blue jelly shrimp, aim for a tank size of at least 5 gallons, though larger is always better, especially if you plan on maintaining a breeding colony. They thrive in water temperatures ranging from 68 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pH level of 6.5 to 8.0. They prefer soft to moderately hard water and appreciate tanks with plenty of live moss, plants, and hiding spots. These shrimp are compatible with a variety of other peaceful, small aquarium inhabitants, such as neon tetras, small razoboras, and snails. Avoid keeping them with aggressive or larger fish species, as they could stress or eat the shrimp. One thing to keep in mind is that they can be sensitive to copper and other heavy metals, so be cautious with any medications or fertilizers added to the tank. And that concludes our introduction to blue jelly shrimp. These little beauties are easy to care for, fun to watch, and help keep your aquarium clean, making them a fantastic choice for shrimp enthusiasts of all levels. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more guides on caring for aquatic life, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or care tips to share.